Article 13.5 of the India-Netherlands Treaty. And what this article deals with is alienation of any other property. So first, we need to find out what is the meaning of property. Property here refers to anything, any capital asset which has been considered for taxation in paragraph 1 to 4. Since we are looking at paragraph 5 here, I said 1 to 4. In some cases, it might be article 13.6 which might be there, right? And therefore, it would imply paragraph 1 to 5. Article 13.5 in this particular case is a residuary provision which provides that any capital asset transfer which results in capital gain, which is not chargeable under the preceding paragraph of Article 13 relating to capital gains, will be chargeable to tax as per the provision of this article. Let us go through it. Gains from the alienation of any property other than that referred to in paragraph 1, 2, 3 and 4 shall be taxable only in the state of which the alienator is one, seller is a resident, right? So think of a situation where you have a non-resident and you have an Indian company or an Indian asset, right? If the non-resident transfers any property, whether to a resident or to a non-resident, doesn't matter, right? Which property? A property other than those which are referred to in paragraph 1, which was immovable property. Paragraph 2, movable property pertaining to the business of a PE of the non-resident. Paragraph 3, ships and boats operating in international traffic, right? And 4 was the real estate company. So any transfer of a capital asset resulting in gains because of its alienation, which is other than what is covered under paragraph 1, 2, 3 and 4, shall be taxable. Now the word used is shall, which means it's mandatory only in the state of which the alienator is a resident. So if the alienator, this non-resident, is a resident of country X, the right to tax capital gain arising from transfer of such assets will be exclusively with X, country X, right? Let us see some of the assets which might be covered here. So you may have shares of an Indian company, but other than the real estate company, which was covered earlier in Article 13, paragraph 4, bonds, debentures, these could be convertible or non-convertible, doesn't make a difference. Options and futures, movable property not forming part of business. The one forming part of business was covered as a part of Article 13.2. Trademark and technology, or for that matter, most of the intangibles, forward cover contracts, and any other financial instrument.